Hello, guys. Okay, so I woke up this morning while I was trying to work on something. I checked a few things on the Google AI Studio. Everything was as normal. And then I just realized that, oh, the interface was quite different from what I saw last night. And I just tried to go through it, and here's what I saw. Take a look at this. Here, you can see chat with models in the playground, and you can see Vibe Coder generative AI enabled app inbuilt, and you can see the third one, monitor usage and more in the dashboard. But I was so curious about the one at the middle. This one over here is pretty simple, right? It's an AI coder, right? It's an AI coder. It's like an agentic AI that you can use to code your vibe, right? These days, you don't even need any coding experience or technical experience to use AI to do whatever it is you want to use it for. And this is one of such examples where you just come in here, you think about something, and then you bring it to life. So I just thought of trying it out and see how it works. And I click on it. This is actually something like Winsoft, Cursor, Copilot. I mean, the agentic AI for coding. And this particular one is super. It's absolutely insane. You know, a while ago we are talking about upper AI. This beats upper AI down, right? So I tried it out by prompt with ChatGPT. Initially, I just typed in the prompt, but I saw that it was not rich enough. So I went to ChatGPT to help me actually refine the prompt. Let me just quickly show you the prompt that I gave to ChatGPT. So I gave this prompt to ChatGPT, improve and refine this prompt. So you can see more refined prompt right here. You see, develop an AI-powered video generation application named CTEX AI Video Gen. Core features, and you can see them right here. So I copied this prompt, I dropped it right here. You can see this is the prompt that I copied from ChatGPT. This was the output, right? This is the output that was built. And then you can see the code base. Let's open the code base. You can see the code right here, right? It's actually coded every aspect of the app, every feature of the app. You can see the code script right here, metadata, JSON. You can see the service code right here. If you want to preview, you can click on this preview and see the UI of the application. Take a look at it. Okay, so over here you can input your prompt, the prompt of the video you want to create, right? So just give it a nice prompt, just as you would do in the other video generators. And you still have an option to animate an image right here. It's optional. Put the image here and then you put the prompt right here. And then this beautiful option here that I also added to the prompt, you can actually put a voiceover. Instead of you taking your videos back to video editing tools for you to add voiceover, you can actually add voiceover right here. Now you might want to ask, why can't I just make my video to talk? Why should I have add voiceover? Okay, so this particular builder is still on development stage, so the lip sync aspect of it has not been added yet. So it is only for video generation. There is no voice, there's no speech in it. So, and that's the reason I've actually added this feature to my own app that I just built. Yeah, so you can always go ahead and add the voiceover instead of speech for now. So when the speech feature is out, I can always update it right here. And of course, you can also have the option of text overlay. You can overlay your text on the screen, just trying to explain or narrate what is happening in your video. The last thing here is the aspect ratio. So you can choose from this list of aspect ratio: 16 to 9, 9 to 16, 1 to 1, 4 to 3, or 3 to 4, right? And then you can use this slider to increase or decrease your video length, right? Of course, the maximum video length here is actually 8, right? Of course, the same thing you have in VO3 and of course Flow and other AI video generators. So we don't have up to 15 seconds here, but you can try it out. Anything is possible with AI, but I just built this and I've tried it out, so it couldn't get more than 8 seconds. But maybe if you try it out on your own, it might just work for you. And then finally, once you are done inputting all these details, click generate. And then once it's done generating your video, the result, the output is going to appear right here. So that's just essentially it. And something very remarkable is the fact that you can share the app with someone. If I click on share, for example, the URL is going to be available for you, right? So you can copy it and share with your friends or share on your social media. And another thing is that you can actually deploy this app to the Google Cloud, right? If you check on that builder interface, you will see that there are other templates that have been built by other builders, right? So you can also enlist your own in that particular templates list. So also you can save it to GitHub. You can download the code base into your PC. Another thing is that you can copy the app. It's saving right now. Okay, great. It has saved so that you can always come to it, right, much later. And then look at the view, right? Currently we are on PC view, so you can go to mobile view. Take a look at the mobile view. Nice. Let's take a look at tablet view. Look at the tablet view. I think that's basically it. Video of a man and his wife working along the bridge. Let's go. You can see now it's done a great job now. Take a look at it. This is fantastic. See a man and his wife walking along the bridge. So you can go over here and click download. You can download it into your system and then let's view it in my laptop. So take a look at it here. Superb. Beautiful for you. Okay. I believe you've enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like, share it, and then subscribe for more of videos like this. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye.